Hey guys, subscribe to support and click on bell icon to get all my latest notifications. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Abhilash back. Today I'm gonna make an unboxing of this Logitech wireless mouse, which is M170. So it's a very compact and handy mouse, which is wireless, and the built-in quality is also, I think it's very good because I have seen this with my friends who was using. So I'm gonna make this unboxing, guys. And first of all, I like to thank everyone where you guys have helped me in reaching 20,000 plus subscribers. Thank you so much. And as per your request, wherein I've tried making Hindi and Kannada videos also. So this is the unboxing, guys. Let's start this. And if you're watching for the first time, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can get all my latest notification. And thank you so much for all my subscribers for helping me in growing. And please do give your continuous support and help me in uploading more and more videos, guys. So thank you so much. So let's begin the unboxing, guys. So you can see this. This is the Logitech wireless mouse, and you can see the serial number over here. So which is M170. This is not the paid promotion, which I have bought it for myself, and I'm making this unboxing. So I usually make unboxing of my products and my friends who knows me and who gives me the products to make an unboxing so I can upload in my YouTube channel. So this is a sealed box. Let me just open this. So I'm going to tell you the price because most of the video I don't tell the price. So the MRP of this is 795 rupees. So if you're buying it from online e-commerce, you may get it for a good discount. So let's make the unboxing and see what's inside. So there's empty, and we have got the user manual, and there's no warranty card with this. It's just the instruction manual which says how to insert the battery and how to connect the wireless USB to your laptop or a desktop. And here comes the instruction manual. Let me keep this apart. And here comes the mouse. So it has got the option which shows where to open the battery, so which is very good and impressive. You can see this. So here you have to just put this down. Oh, the mouse comes with the battery, and they have used this to not. It comes with the cell, so they have just kept this over here, so the battery will not get discharged. It's a very good battery which they have given, which is 15 ampere. I'm sorry, RL6 size format, AA of 1.5 volts DC, and you can see the receiver is placed over here. So if you're not using your mouse, you can just put your receiver over here and like keep it away, or you can carry in your laptop bag, which is very good. And the built-in quality is very good, and you can just see the symbol on this receiver also. And you can see the quality of this mouse, so which is pretty good. Nice built-in quality. You can see on the right and the left side there is some texture where it gives you a nice feel when you hold the mouse. And this is not too fat, like wherein you can just say use your mouse, and it's very easy to roll the cursor, and it's very good, and it has an on and off button over here, so which comes here, and it's very tiny and a compact mouse. And I feel this is one of the best compact mouse, and for using it has a very smooth, and the built-in quality. It comes with the two colors, the body and the kick, both the colors, and it's a very good one, guys. And this was a quick unboxing, so I hope this video was useful to you, so you can see before buying this mouse. And thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, guys, please do support me by giving your comments and suggestion and help me in uploading more and more videos. Thank you so much for watching.